that we are going to conduct a discussion on the bibliometric analysis with the use of R, especially the package BiblioShiny. Is there anybody who has worked on the R up till now, guys?
No.
Because this is really very good thing. It's an open source FOSS, that's a free and open source software. Yeah, ma'am. Have you done it?
No, sir, no.
Oh, fine. So it's a quite practical thing, quite interesting one, and free and open source. Anything you can do it. Even the qualitative, quantitative, any kind of analysis that you want to do, trust me, it is the best software in a way. Because I tried only for the bibliometric only. Rest of the things I am trying to explore day by day. But the result that they gave was really amazing. Even you can replace the NVO also to major extent. Because that's a proprietary, having a lot of cost involved into it. So post to the finish, probably will not be having an access to the NVO. Right now we have it into our Symbiosis library. But after that, probably will not be having the access to the NVO. We will have to buy it. So rather better, we should be having a practice on the free and open source software only. Like Sanjay ji is doing a research on qualitative mostly, and he is using also the free and open source software for the qualitative research. Sanjay ji, right? What's the software?
Yeah, that's right. WAN tools.
WAN tools, right? So one day I would request him to have a session on the WAN, how it works, right? Under the project launch of Satya Badanak, kind of, right? Symphonic Symbians. Anyways, so now, first of all, I'll give you a link, guys. Here is a link. You all can directly, in just a moment. First of all, let me share my not one screen, but the complete desktop. So that, right now, let it be, and let me share the screen first of all. Yeah, here is a link for the same, and I give you that link into the chat. You copy and paste into your browser and download it immediately fast.
Sure.
Right. Just a moment. Should I give it into a WhatsApp group?
कहीं भी दे दीजिए.
Oh, चलो दोनों जगह पे दे देता हूँ. So first I have given into a WhatsApp group, and right now I am going to give it into our meeting in the chat right now. Yes, please go through it. And then how you have to do it, I'll let you know. I'm stopping the screen sharing right now, and I'm going to.
आपने भेजा क्या इसको?
Yeah, it is being given into our chat right now, into the Google Meet also, and into our Symbiosis WhatsApp group also. Right.
Okay.
Now, rather, let me share the entire
WhatsApp
screen.
में एक मिनट, WhatsApp में नहीं दिख रहा है.
WhatsApp में नहीं आया है.
Just a moment. Let me recheck it. Oh, I'm sorry. It has been shared into. Let me delete that. It is being shared to one of the students into our batch by mistake. Yeah, it is there into our WhatsApp group now.
हाँ, अभी आ गया.
Right. Click on it, and one by one we'll be getting into it. Now, let me go to my browser. Can you see the browser, guys?
Yes.
These are the two things. The first is that you have to download the R. R is an engine. And this is,
Yeah.
you can call it as the accessory to it. But generally, I'm running the code through R Studio only. Sometimes when I'm running the code, BiblioShiny from R, this software directly, it gives me an error sometimes. Right. So first of all, you have to click on here. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Click on here, go over here. Now you must be having Windows. If you have a Linux or Mac OS, then also it's going to work.
So download R for Windows.
Yes, R for Windows. Here, install R for the first time. Click on here, and you will be redirected towards this page. Here, you guys have to click on this link. And 86 MB file, 64-bit Windows operating system, it will be there into your system. Now, I'm not going to do it. Already it is there into my PC. Post to the finish of this, guys. You have to click on this. Here.
Done.
And directly it will get download.
Hmm.
So let me show you 2 files, then you will be having like this into your PC. This is R, size is approximately 86 MB, and this is RStudio. It's a user interface to work with the R. R is the engine.
Okay, so दो download हो गए.
Okay. First of all, mind well, again I am repeating the same thing that you have to click on this and run as administrator. Whenever the authentic software is there, always give it an admin right. So first install R and then only go for the RStudio. Mind well. Right.
Okay.
So post to the finish now, you will be having parallel. You can just keep on doing that, guys. Or should I wait for by the time you download and install it?
Yeah, this better, I think. You wait for 5-10 minutes.
Should I wait for 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I'm waiting for the same. When you finish, let me know.
अभी RStudio भी वैसे ही कर ले.
Yeah, if R is downloaded, then do the RStudio also at the same moment based on your operating system type. But I would recommend to go for the Windows only rather than for the Linux or the Mac OS. Many of our colleagues have a Mac. But I don't know whether this RStudio is going to work on the Mac or not.
नहीं हम लोग गरीब है विंडो वाले.
हाँ, मैं आपकी I am also selling in your boat.
मैक में भी चलता है करके दिखा है.
I am also into your boat, संजय जी.
सर मैंने किया है, यूज किया, थोड़ा सा किया है,
क्या है?
चलता है अच्छा. हाँ, मतलब हाफ ऑफ द वर्क मैंने कर दिया है,
गुड गुड
थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ है.
गुड गुड. मतलब बिब्लियो शाइनी किया था कि और एनी अदर पैकेज?
ब्लू शाइनी के कुछ फीचर्स मैंने ट्राई किए हैं. हाँ, लेकिन वही से बहुत सारे कोडिंग्स जो है ना वो अभी काफी कॉम्प्लेक्स है.
Okay, I'll guide you through that.
Hmm.
I will navigate through that.
हाँ, और सर उसमें एक एक्सेल फाइल का भी अपलोड करने का ना वो भी जरा बता दीजिए, क्योंकि
कौन सा?
फाइल की जो मर्जिंग करेंगे ना हम.
मर्जिंग नेक्स्ट टाइम रखेंगे. मर्जिंग और फील्ड का एक्सप्लेनेशन जो है ना, क्योंकि आज टाइम नहीं बचेगा, प्रॉबेबली विद इन स्पैन ऑफ 1 आवर और 1.5 hours. उसके बाद क्या होगा, ज़्यादा लेक्चर लेंगे ना, लोगों का अटेंशन कम हो जाएगा. संडे को 1.5 घंटे
प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है.
हाँ, फिर क्या होगा, कैमरा चालू और माइक बंद रख के.
ओके, नॉट श्योर.
Excuse me, sir.
यस मानसी मैम.
Sir, good morning.
Yeah, good-
Sir, ये मैं I've just joined the class. Sir, ये install R and RStudio दोनों install करने हैं.
Yeah, you go to this link which already has been given into our chat.
Yeah, I've opened it, so I need to install both of them.
Yeah. First of all, you have to install the R, man. Right? This is the engine, and this you can call it as a plugin. I mean, the UI for the same to operate the R. हंसी मजाक में समझा लूँ तो ये वाइफ है, पूरा घर चलाती है, और अपन लोग जो हेल्प करते हैं ना, हम स्टूडियो है.
Okay.
As I said, that do it by doing a right click only. These two softwares installation, again to repeat those who have joined late. First install R by doing it right click and run as administrator and post to that. Do it with the right click again, run as administrator. After finish of first only, attempt to do the second one, please. 1.5 घंटे से ज़्यादा सनाल्ला ज़्यादा लूँगा ना, फिर मेरे को काजी सर बना देंगे लोग.
कोई बात नहीं सर, कोई बात नहीं.
फिर दूसरा सेशन रखते हैं इसके ऊपर ही, जो उसके फील्ड है ना आर के. All the fields of R will be having a detailed discussion that what's the exact meaning of all these fields, and then how to merge the data of Web of Science and Scopus.
यस सर, वो बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम बन चुका था. अभी मैंने 2 डेटा जब एक्सट्रैक्ट किए ना, और उसके मैं जब मर्ज करने जा रहा हूँ तो
Yeah. That is a little bit challenge also sometimes. Even in
What-
case of this downloading the data and uploading it into the R, sometimes suppose some fields are lacking.
यस.
That is also a little bit challenge. Initially, when I started practicing last month, I was facing a lot of challenge. Then I came to know that multiple trial and error I did in a way that why it is not coming, why many of the red flags are coming, data is missing and blah blah kind of things. Then at the end of the day, after much of the exercise and rigor, I came to know that these are the mistakes that I'm doing. Or
Yeah.
maybe all these fields are required. Then I thought that if I have done a mashakkat for at least 1 month, right, let's share it with the Simpson.
मैं सर अगर ये सीख ली ना एक बार, तो फिर कोई भी चीज़ सीखने की जरूरत नहीं, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ वेरी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव.
Yeah, that's I was saying. If you have a hands-on on R, na boss, really, that's a perfect word that you use, qualitative analysis, quantitative analysis, everything. This software is doing fantastically. So many packages it is
तुम्हारा PLS, no smart PLS, कुछ भी सब
nothing. And it is having open source, free, FOSS. That's the, and that was I was saying in the beginning when you joined before that, I was saying the same thing. That if we have a hands-on on this kind of softwares, probably after finish of our PhD also, we don't have to look to the proprietary softwares. अभी मान लो हाथ जमा लिया हमने, for example on NVO, right? And maybe that it's not going to be available to us. Then ultimately for research also we have to do the expenditure.
yes.
Are we that much rich enough? मैं तो नहीं हूँ at least.
मैं भी नहीं हो सकता.
तो चलो एक ही बोट में बैठ जाते हैं, फ्री वाले ही करते हैं फिर.
Yes, I am with you, sir.
रिसर्च के नाम पे ये बहुत बड़ा धंधा है भाई. स्कोपस कितने $1 मिलियन का होगा, वेब ऑफ साइंस कितने $1 मिलियन का होगा अल्टीमेटली, एंड मैनी अदर थिंग्स. एज वी नो दैट अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस बीइंग प्रैक्टिस ऑन टू द नेम ऑफ रिसर्च, राइट. हमको तो इंडियन बनने का है भाई, एक पैसा नहीं देना है किसी को. रिसर्च करेंगे लेकिन पैसा नहीं देंगे. हो गया डाउनलोड फ्रेंड्स? Finish download, guys.
Yes.
Okay, should I go ahead now?
Sir, can you just give me 1 more minute?
Play. No problem.
ये जो R वाला तो डेस्कटॉप पे दिख रहा है, but other guy is not seen on the desktop. Is it embedded into the original?
No, actually, no, not onto the original. If you type into your search query, simply R, it will be visible over there itself.
अच्छा.
Right. Should I show you guys now?
अब बाकी का पूछ लीजिए.
Okay.
हाँ, सर्च में है.
And उसको राइट क्लिक करके संजय जी टेक इट इनटू द स्टार्ट मेनू. So that directly from the start menu itself you can run it easily. Needless to have it into the other menus. Should I go for, guys?
Yes, I am done. बाकी का देख लीजिए.
Okay, fine. So let me now.
मेरे people are still downloading.
Okay. धीरे धीरे हम लोग जाते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. So let me now. Is anyone, should I wait for or should I go ahead, guys?
2 मिनट रुक ही जाइए.
चलिए
मेरे ख्याल से 10:20 चालू करते हैं.
चलिए बढ़िया. Because installation of R is also a great challenge. Sanaullah, when you started, I think you also would have faced a lot of problems in terms of installation.
हाँ सर, इंस्टॉलेशन में भी तो शुरू में थोड़ा डिफिकल्टीज होती है. उसमें मैं पैकेजेस जब हम इंस्टॉल करेंगे ना, पैकेजेस जब इंस्टॉल करेंगे ना, तो वहाँ भी थोड़ी बहुत डिफिकल्टीज आती है.
Yes, sir.
अब क्या चाहिए अपने, क्योंकि आर इज अ वेरी कॉम, ये है ना, उसमें बहुत कुछ होता है. तो अपने हिसाब से क्या क्या अपने को चाहिए होगा वो इंस्टॉल करना होगा अपने को.
ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर का एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, कंफर्ट लेवल. हाँ, लर्निंग का थोड़ा स्टीप होता है.
हाँ,
और कंफर्ट लेवल थोड़ी कम होती है.
कम होती है.
वेरी वही होगा. मैं क्लोनिंग के सॉफ्टवेयर के ऊपर R&D कर रहा था पहले, आज से 3-4 साल पहले. इतने बढ़िया ओपन सोर्स में क्लोनिंग, मतलब आपकी पूरी हार्ड डिस्क का क्लोन कर लेंगे वो लोग. तो आपको OS भी इंस्टॉल फिर से नहीं करनी है. डायरेक्टली यू कैन इंस्टॉल द OS एंड डेवलप काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. C ड्राइव का पूरा कॉपी बना के रख देंगे क्लोन करके, तो सेकंड टाइम आपको इंस्टॉल ही नहीं करनी है. ऐसे वाले प्रोप्राइटरी सॉफ्टवेयर तो मैं 2006 से 7 से यूज कर रहा हूँ. बट दिस काइंड ऑफ ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर व्हेन आई अटेम्प्टेड ना, दे वर रियली वेरी गुड. बट कमांड लाइन, टर्मिनल, दिस थिंग सबका इश्यू.
ये वो इसमें भी मिस्टेक नहीं करेगा, वर्ड भी अगर मिस होता है तो भी नहीं चलती.
यस.
डॉक्टर चाबड़ा,
यस सर, गुड मॉर्निंग.
वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग. ये आप रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं ना?
Yeah, it's being recorded. See, it is going to be shared that how the R is to be used. These are all the symbiosis friends, sir. Right. Out of the symbiosis, only you has been given the link. Guys, here is Dr. Anil Roy Dubey, my main mentor, behind me to get into the symbiosis. Now, see, what is there is there, sir. The one who has motivated me for this particular PhD into the symbiosis, he is the one.
Okay, great, sir. Welcome, sir.
Okay, ma'am, how are you?
Yeah, sir, I'm good.
Okay,
I'm just little bit, I'm suffering from fever and some cold. So I'm just listening to you and
no problem.
doing it.
No problem. Take your own time.
Don't worry, Asha, madam, you are developing your immunity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank
Take
you.
care.
Okay, guys, should I go?
अभी तो बच गया 10-20 हो गया.
Okay, fine. So let me go to that. Now,
I think your screen has a lot of mirrors.
no, that is a reflection. Just I have shared the complete screen. Now it's only there. Here, guys, after the installation, you will be having R. If you can't see it, go into the down menu. Right here in the R, OPQR, see here. You'll be having R software and R studio. Right click it, and
Okay.
you have to pin it to the start menu. So you can see here, R is here and R studio is here. I'll pin it into the start menu itself by doing a right click over here, right? Now, I'm going to click on the R. R is open. Now, I'm going to click on the R studio. Here it is the R studio. Can you see it, guys? Now, when you do the first time installation of R, one thing that you have to do, friends, is you have to install the packages here.
Okay.
Install packages. When you click on the install packages, it will ask you that which particular time zone that you want to select. You can select anything concerned with the India, Bangalore, India, Bhubaneswar, whatever that you want. Indonesia में चले जाना खाली बस.
Yeah.
Right?
अपना तो एक ही टाइम है.
हाँ, India, Bangalore ले लो. That is great.
Okay.
IT वाले को बेंगलुरु ही पता है इंडिया में, बाकी का कोई है ही नहीं, तो उन्होंने बेंगलोर ले लिया है. ठीक है. Now here,
उड़ीसा वाले बुरा मान जाएंगे.
हाँ, वो बुरा मान जाएंगे. जगन्नाथ जी बुरा मान जाएंगे वहाँ पे. उनकी पार्डन के साथ आगे बढ़ते हैं. नाउ हियर गाइस, अनफॉर्चुनेटली किसी भी सॉफ्टवेयर में आप बी दबाओगे ना, BIB, तो स्क्रॉल डाउन होना चाहिए, लेकिन ये ओपन सोर्स है ना, सो इट इज नॉट हैविंग दैट पर्टिकुलर फैसिलिटीज. सो अनफॉर्चुनेटली यू विल हैव टू रन डाउन अप टू दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट वेयर बाय द बिब्लियो मैट्रिक्स इज देयर, राइट? सो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू स्क्रॉल डाउन अप टू दैट पॉइंट. जस्ट अ मोमेंट, वेयर इज इट?
इतने पैकेजेस हैं यार.
या वही तो बोल रहा हूँ. सी जिंदगी खत्म हो जाएगी पूरी.
ये में ही इतने.
Out of this, Sanjay ji, we are going to learn only one, and that's also partly. You can think of how many packages this open source free software it is having.
मतलब ये महाभारत है, सबने अपना अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है.
Yep. Open source का यही है. See, open source is somewhat like a main river contributed by the tributaries. One person says that, okay, this is a software I want to contribute about this particular thing. And then team of the software developers across the globe will be coming together. One fork will be created into the Git. And through Git, then they'll be developing a software will be linked with this. So, open source is always the best one because it will be having so many additional packages. So, at that point of time, when we had been into the Symbiosis also, Sanjay, I was used to say you that go to the Zotero. Why? Because it is also open source. Manly is a proprietary.
Okay.
Zotero is an open source, and Zotero is having other sources also rather than just only that particular, one kind of file system. It is having the chances for the Word file, PDF file, HTML file, every kind of sources we can link with the Zotero.
Right.
So universality is there in case of Zotero. Now guys, you have to click on the Biblio matrix.
But there are 3-4 biblios.
See, it is here, Biblio matrix.
So bibliometric.
Yeah.
Only that plain one, right?
Yes. And click on OK. Since it is installed already, चलो मैं बता ही देता हूँ, फिर से इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा. और क्या होना है फिर?
सॉरी चावड़ा जी,
Yes, please.
जरा पहले स्क्रीन में फिर से आ सकते हैं, जरा कैसा है स्क्रीन में?
So here I had been to the package.
ओके. इसके पहले वाला, हाउ टू गेट दिस बॉक्स?
This box, no, simply click on the icon. Here, the R software is there, R studio is there. When you click on R is an engine, what I said.
करेक्ट.
R studio is an accessories to that. Right. So here, yes. If you don't have an R studio, no, even though you can run it from here also, from R also, because as I said, the R is an engine. But sometimes directly running the Biblio Shiny from the R gives a little bit error. And that's the reason that I insist that better have an RStudio also.
Yes.
Right?
Fine.
Now, already the packages are installed, but still I have tried again. Install packages, go to that, and then I have taught you the method that how you have to do it, right? Here I have selected bibliometrics. Bibliometrics, mind well, not bibliometrics data. Don't do that. Otherwise, I don't know what is going to get happen. I never experimentized that. Right. So here it is, again to repeat. Where is it? Oh, it has gone, I think.
एकदम नीचे है.
सर ये आर स्टूडियो से थोड़ा इजीली हो जाएगा
Pardon?
अगर ये आर स्टूडियो से भी डायरेक्टली हो जाएगा
हाँ हो जाएगा लेकिन but first of all you have to install it ना.
ओके
And then you have to load the package. Without loading the packages every time, then you will not be able to run into the browser that particular software. Browser open ही नहीं होता है काफी बार तो फिर.
ओके
Right. So first of all, you have to install it and then load packages. Every time you have to load the package. That also I'll show you. Just a moment. कहाँ चला गया? Oh, it will be down. BI. See, here it is bibliometrics. Don't do bibliometrics data. I have not done it. Mind well. What will happen if you do it? I don't know. You have to do, mind well, bibliometrics only. Okay? When you click it and click on OK, automatically here in this window, the download will start. All the packages. Right? Since it is done, I'm not going to repeat it. Suppose the packages once has been installed and everything has been done, still you have to load it. If sometimes doesn't work, then update packages also you can do that. Update packages and then you can update if any update is there. See, bibliometrics update is there, right? Packages to be updated. So let me click on all the packages. Update packages. Update packages. And I clicked on OK. So it will update everything. Suppose there is some new.
So I have to select everything in that?
Let it be. See, it is showing only because these kind of things are there already existing. These libraries are there existing into your software. And that's the reason.
Because it's saying select one.
Yes, de do isme. Wherever there is, go with the flow. Right. Now, update has been finished. Oh, it's going on. After the finish of this process, friends, you have to load packages. Load packages. Right. Load packages and then you have to select bibliometrics. Clear?
Correct.
Bibliometrics. When you load the bibliometrics, you are ready to go. Right. Now come to this RStudio. And here you have to click on bibliometrics. Right. It is selected. Now, just a moment. It will show this screen, and when this BiblioShiny gets appeared, then only you start. Now this BiblioShiny command, I am going to copy it. Right? Copy, just to show you I have done a right click and paste it over here. I can do the same thing over here also, guys. If I just copy and paste BiblioShiny here and directly run without the RStudio, then also it would do. Nothing to worry about it. Right? But sometimes, as I said, that if I run it from here, from R, then it gives an error. So I am refraining from that. I am rather choosing the RStudio. So I am clicking on it. Now I'll press the enter. When I press the enter, automatically it will lead me to the browser. Directly the software will get open. You can see here. The software has
loading.
Software has got opened.
So one silly question, of course.
Nothing is silly.
What is BiblioShiny at the end of the day?
This is for analysis of the qualitative and bibliometric data analysis. I'll show you all these things.
Okay.
That what kind of researchers are there, global level in your particular topic or the database that you selected, what kind of researchers are there, what kind of journals are there, right?
Okay, so it's had nothing to do with bibliography kind of thing. It's a different thing.
Exactly, the word would be reflecting something to that itself. Etymologically, if you go to that, maybe relating to that, but I don't know. Right? Etymologically, it is sounding same. Biblio means concerned with all the bibliography kind of things, that who is an author, which is a book, which is a journal being published, because this is also showing the same things,
I see.
right? Now, guys,
Correct.
next step is that we have to log in into.
So it is still loading probably.
Okay, no, it is loaded. You can see here. You can see into my.
No, yours. We are loading.
Okay, you are loading.
Yeah, it's still that circle is around.
Okay, fine. So first time when you do it, maybe that loading may take a little bit more time. Testing problem. Software के भी दांत होते हैं.
नखरे होते हैं दांत से ज्यादा.
हाँ, देखो काफी बार इंस्टॉल भी नहीं होगा, guys. Let me tell you one thing. Installation also would be a challenge for you. In that case, what you have to do? You have to restart the PC. Right.
Okay, because याद है वो मैडम ले रही थी कौन सा. हाँ, आ गया. स्टार्ट बोलते ही आ गया.
Yes, restart problem है ये सब. लाइफ में हमने भी फेस किए थे ना.
Okay.
Restart problem. काफी बार जॉब में, काफी बार पर्सनल लाइफ में restart problem. Nothing else. You restart it,
Right.
problem will be gone.
So let's repeat the step. First is installation, second is loading, third is update, and fourth is
Update
sorry.
not needed every time.
Okay.
Update not needed every time. Just I shown you over here right now, just for the sake of showing that you can do the update from there also.
Okay.
Right. Oh, why it is getting open 2 times? Oh, sorry. It got. Now, problem with this particular software is what? That once it is closed, na, again you will have to, don't refresh the window even, mind well. If you refresh this window, na, then all the data and import and every job that you've done, na, will be vanished.
So we can't save it kind of
Yeah,
thing?
saving, I'll show you. You can save it. Saving and everything.
Suppose we put this link into the favorite. Will it work or?
No. It will not work. Let me show you. That's a very valid and good question. I think it will not work because last time I tried for the same. It has to run through that particular software only.
Okay.
Right. It will throw an error. मैं इसको भी refresh मारूंगा ना संजय जी. Suppose I refresh it. Forget about the copy and pasting that link. If I refresh this link also, na, suppose this is a refresh button, even though it will not work.
I see.
Right. Now we are going to go into the Symbiosis library. Library.
Okay. So parallelly in a different window, right?
Yeah. I had been to see. This is now that software is open, but we have to have a data na, with us to load into the software. So how to get the data? That is very important equally at the same moment.
So suppose that library is into Google and this one is into
चलेगा कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
चलेगा ना कोई problem नहीं है. Two different set of browsers.
Yes,
are
right.
there.
Yes. Just this particular library I am showing it for the download purpose only, nothing else.
Okay.
It's nothing more than that.
मैंने login कर लिया.
I logged in and now here you can see guys, it is our Scopus,
Scopus बाबा को ढूंढ लो. ये मिल गया.
right? And this is our Web of Science,
Web of Science पे चलते हैं.
Right.
Okay.
Now here, let me show you first of all certain very important points. Boolean search. Many times you guys will be committing a mistake because I also did it, honestly saying,
Okay.
right? Wild characters in Boolean search. Initially when I started, now let me ask you one question. Concern with the Boolean search. My research is concerned with, everybody knows that it is concerned with export import, right?
Yeah.
Now export import has a multiple of words
Correct.
like export import, import export, global business, global trade, foreign trade, international trade, something like this. Every word is concerned with my research.
Right.
Now these are the primary words. Well, let me show you my secondary words. Right, these are my primary words. Oh, where is it? Just a moment. So these are my primary words. Secondary word is like, say for example, problems, challenges, bottlenecks, hurdles, and all these things
Correct.
coming along the way into the export import business. Let me extract. I think that Excel file is also over here. It must be there. Oh, it is not there. Okay, it is here, I think. Yes. So here you can see, guys, these are the primary words. Like that, you guys also can do the analysis for your particular research. So these are my primary words. Right. And these are my secondary words. Problem, challenges, issues, troubles, bottlenecks, limitations. And tertiary words are somewhat like bank. Bank or banking, NBFC, non-banking, company, factor, factoring services into the export import, RBI related words, right? Reserve Bank of India, RBI, blah blah kind of thing, central bank, custom clearing, customs, custom clearing, forwarding, like this kind of words people will be using to search for the same, right? But these are the primary words. Now, these primary words, suppose I put into our Boolean search, would you use the and or would you use or? Please try to answer me between these primary words or maybe any another word.
Right. It has to be and only, because or means it will go onto what you call individual words, correct? And means it will take the collection.
Okay.
I mean, if I'm grammatically right.
Sir, and we will use when we want two different constructor variables to join together and search.
Yes.
And or is used when we want to use a synonym of the same
So
construct.
in case of this particular export, import, international business, foreign trade, would you use the and or or?
और लगेगा सर इसमें
or
पक्का
फॉरेन
Right.
ट्रेड हाँ यस
और लगेगा इसमें. मैंने भी एक गलती किया था. I committed the mistake because I took here, for example, like this. For example, here I took
And
export, import, and then international business, like this I did, right? Then and foreign trade, ऐसा करके मैंने पूरा string बनाया.
ओके
You want to click on search ना? Trust me, I did not find even a single result.
एरर दिखाएगा सर वो क्योंकि
Why?
ये सिनोनिम वर्ड है ना ये
Why?
हाँ बिकॉज ऑल द सिनोनिम
No,
रिलेटेड टू सेम
it is showing that any
so
paper,
probably it is again taking the bunch, na?
See, any
So
paper,
bunch is not available.
no. Bunch is also available, Sanjay ji. Bunch is also available. You have to take a bunch only because I cannot take export, import. Export, if I take, na, I'll be into the IT field also.
Okay.
Export data, import data, those kind of papers also will be there into my result. I have to take just only export and import only. So I have just separated this with a comma so that the direct word will be there. Export, import together will be there. International business. Suppose I don't take this particular double quote, then it will take the international also and it will take a business also. Millions of paper will be there then into my basket.
Okay.
Very nice to have those kind of papers concerned with the business or concerned with the international word into it.
I see.
Right. So I have to take it into double quote only compulsorily. But between the double quote also, should I take and or should I take or? Suppose I take or na, and na, then problem is what? That this word and suppose here it is a foreign trade.
Okay.
This word and next word, whatever is, all these words, wherever is there into the paper, those kind of papers only will be reflected.
Oh.
Right. Then no paper will be there. Zero result will be there then ultimately. So this mistake I committed, I was searching and I was confused. Then I made one particular, read so many articles that what is a Boolean search and how it has to be done.
Boolean search.
Yeah, Boolean system. I'll share that file also. I have prepared it for all of you guys.
Okay.
Here it is a Boolean search file. I'll share it for you guys, right? So here is a complete scientifically I have prepared this Boolean search file, that what kind of keywords and what kind of Booleans, exact phrases that you have to use, then what a result that you're going to get, Boolean search with and or and not, right? And then with other phrases, here it is or, here it is not, here it is with dash, here it is with a question mark, here it is with star. Anybody who is from the computer will be able to understand it. In MySQL and SQL command also this particular star is being used. Boolean search, very important. SQL किसी को आता है पता है उसमें ये star search का आता है. In SQL and MySQL also it is there. Tinda वो भी आता है इसमें, right? So this kind of Boolean search file already has been prepared, which I'll share with you guys, right?
Great.
Okay, now let me come to the point here. Here I have to use what I said, or, right, rather than and. So just for the sake of showing you guys, I take just only 3 words, otherwise there are multiple of words. I have taken these many words, you can see here. Just a moment, how many words are there? Here it is, right? Export, import, import, export, international business, international trade, global business, global trade. Oh, देखो global trade अभी छूट चुका है, right? Let me take it. Or it is not editable. Because global trade also a good word, right? These many words with or option, I have to put it into our Scopus. So I have taken right now for the query purpose just only 3.
So this is applicable only for Scopus or for others also?
Anywhere, world level, even in Google also it is going to get applied. Even if you go to even Oxford and Harvard Library, Sanjay ji, it is going to get applied there even too.
It's an international standard user.
Yes, sir. Yes, and this I have taken from one of the American University Library only.
Okay.
Right. In their library, this kind of Boolean words. Then I search for the Google also that Google whether use the same thing or not. And then I made this particular master file.
So this Boolean thing, we can put it into that general search only, right?
Yep.
Or
Everywhere. If you go to even any university, Oxford, Harvard level, any university, wherever you go into that library, this particular standard would remain same. Because this I have taken from one of the American very famous university. I have forgotten that name. From their particular article, I have dragged it and then edited so many things from Google and other resources and then made this final file for the Boolean search.
okay, so this is like hashtag and then you
Yeah.
word.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Now here guys, we can put a filter. Here, Patil sir has said that take last 2-3 years only, right? Chalo, 2-3 साल ही लेते हैं. Filter I have applied. So out of this 16,000, we'll be having some less number into our hands. कितना हुआ? Oh, बहुत ज़्यादा कम नहीं हुआ. Let me tick mark on this economics, social science मैं सब निकाल देता हूँ. Now these filters you can apply for your convenience. Right? I want only articles, not a grey literature. Book chapter, conference papers, these are the grey literatures. I won't like it. Right? So let me limit it to articles only. So it come down to what? 3155. जो भी आप कर रहे हो ना उसको नोट करते रहो. Whenever you apply it, you have to keep on noting. But if you don't want to do it, that shortcut also I'll show you. Prisma framework वाला, ठीक है? Which is also being given into the Scopus as Web of Science. Source title, we are not going to choose anything out of it. Now here, suppose I want to have a international business. No, I don't want to limit it to any journal. So let it be free. Publication stage, final. जिसका होगा your article in press. If I want to do that also, I can do that. So let me a final only. Keywords, very important thing for you. Right? Country, territory. I'm going to do it only for India. Right? Limit it to India. I limit it. And
Okay.
journal, skip it. Affiliation, skip it. Country, territory. Language, English only, not anything else. And then I want to go for the open access only, or that's your call, your choice, that you want to whether you want to go for the open access or you want to go for anything else also, right? Now, another keyword filter is there. Yeah, it's here. This is very important, guys, for selection purpose. The matching keywords only you have to select. Otherwise, maybe the end result may be quite different as compared to what you're thinking of. And your complete LR or bibliometric will go wrong. So here is कीवर्ड फिल्टर. इसमें हर बार लफड़ा होता है, ये खुलता नहीं है जल्दी. Let me reopen. Anyways guys, I think there is some glitch over here, maybe an internet issue or maybe into the website some error is there. Now here, after finish of all these things, complete exercise, or in keyword, let me just limit it to international business or couple of keyword given over here. Limit to, right? Oh, no document is being found. Very surprised. Why it is so? See, this error comes sometimes. Mind well. Don't get disheartened. Multiple times, do the same thing.
Okay.
You will get it. This error, yesterday also when I was doing, I faced it. Nothing is wrong. It's not that like your Boolean search or something, whatever that you're doing is wrong. Nothing. It's a restart problem. So if I refresh it, again the problem will go. This is just only a text. देखो अभी ये भी नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है ना?
So you can remove India वाला जो limitation you have
नो
put.
नो मैम, इंडिया में है, मैंने निकाला है, खुद के पेपर भी निकाले हैं इसमें से इंडिया के लिए. लिमिटिंग टू इंडिया, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आई हैव डन इट. But this is a technical glitch. Many times in the Scopus as well as Web of Science, I have noticed it. Yesterday night also I was doing it and I faced the same problem. Right? So it's a very cumbersome activity. Again, then I have to apply a filter. Anyways, guys, just let me apply just only couple of filters only and then run away so that we can save the time. After doing all these things, export filter counts. You have to click on this. Clear? What is this? Whatever the filters that you applied, na, either you have to remember it, have to jot it down either into the Word, Excel or maybe into your notepad. Right? Some noise is coming. And then you have to write everything manually. But rather doing that, it gives you a direct Prisma, friends. It gives you a direct Prisma file. Here it is. How it looks? Let me show you into my downloaded file. Here it is a refined value. This is a Prisma, all nothing but. And writing method also I have said. Here it is a Prisma, you can see. Here filter, पूरा जो भी मैंने सिलेक्ट किया था वो दिया, ठीक है. Author name, पूरा उसका filter जो था वो आ गया. Subject area, then keyword. For example, this keyword I would have selected, for example, these many keywords. Then all the keywords that I have selected are reflected over here. So I needless to maintain all the records. Are you getting my point? You need not to maintain all the records manually writing it over here or maybe into the Excel sheet. Directly it gives you a CSV file. And this is all nothing but your Prisma. What filters you are going to get apply to your research for searching out the papers. Clear? And this is an important string for you then. Your query. This query string you have to put into your paper. That this is a query that I fired. Finish. This query when you put into any paper, guys, they'll understand it. They'll learn it that okay, you are
चावड़ा जी,
हाँ जी.
एक बार फिर से बोल देंगे वो जो आपने बताया फिल्टर कैसे आगे लेना है करके.
Filter, okay, let me show you. Here it is a filter. All these filters are here. Suppose I want to go to economics, finance. I click on that. A document type, I'll be taking only articles. No gray literature for the research paper writing, even book chapters, even it is peer reviewed, mind well. It's a gray literature. Conference papers, even peer reviewed gray literature. You have to go for the articles only, friends. Okay? I would take international business, international trade, like this, couple of keywords over here. English only. Limit 2. Finish. Here, the total number of articles are being given. 564. Clear, Ramesh ji?
हाँ सर, when you are taking it to that Excel, how do you take that?
Here, export by count. This is count, not Excel. This database I have not exported, mind well. Still, that is pending. This is the filter count that you are exporting, and this is all nothing but Prisma. This is all nothing but Prisma, correct? Now, let me go to the export of this database into the CSV format. I would apply CSV here. Mind well, be noted. For the Scopus, you have to export CSV file only. But for the safe side, you export even plain text too. BibTeX also you can do it for the bibliometric analysis into the R. That is also valid, acceptable over there. And RIS, some noise is coming. RIS file you can use for your Mendeley and Zotero. Clear? RIS file for the Mendeley and Zotero. See, here it is written. You can see. Zotero RIS file. Mendeley also, I think it accepts. I don't use Mendeley. Right. So what I'll be doing, I'll be clicking on CSV. In R, if file is exported into CSV format, CSV is a database, nothing else more than that. You can open up the CSV file into Excel also. You can open the CSV file into your notepad also, guys. It's a comma separated file. It's a database file. You can click on here and you will be landed on this particular page. Here it is 564. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 4. Allowed. Right? Here, guys, you have to select every field if it is possible. Before that, I forgot to show you that here also initially when you search, better to have all fields if you want. Right? Now here export again, let me go to that CSV document 1 to 564, select all information and truncate the optimize for the Excel. Don't do that. If you want to have a full extract, so disable it. If you don't want a full abstract, then enable it. क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है ये CSV फाइल जो है ना that you can convert into what I said into the Excel and directly you can read the abstract from this database only to learn that whether this particular paper is relating to your requirement or not. Simple. So better not to truncate. So I would say you that disable it. Right? You can save this particular thing. Now it is not getting happen. Why? Sometimes see these are the problems happening into the Scopus and Web of Science. You can't save. Here it is clickable, but still right now it is not. It may be a JavaScript problem. It's a pop-up. Right? Now when I click on export, guys, it will give me a file. See, one file is getting downloaded of 564 documents CSV file. Right? How this file is going to get looked? It is like this. Actually, it won't show this 1 kV. 1 kV, why I have written? It is primary keyword. For my primary keyword, this particular file I have prepared. What are my primary keywords? All these are my primary keywords. Now let me close this boolean. Okay, all these are my primary keywords. For my primary keywords, I am preparing this file. So for my understanding purpose, I have taken it 1 kV. Otherwise, the original file will be somewhat like this only. You can see here, guys. Scopus. Scopus. This kind of name only will be reflected over there. It's a CSV file. Clear? I'm not going to download again because file already is lying with me. Similarly, guys, into the Web of Science also you can do the same thing. But bear in mind, in Web of Science, whenever you export the database like this, you have to export into the Notepad, not into the CSV file, because the R would accept only Notepad in this case. Clear?
So from Scopus it is CSV and from from Web of Science it is
It
Notepad.
has to be Notepad. Plain text.
Okay.
Here also there is an option available for the plain text. You can see here, Sanjay ji. Safe side, see, आप सब करके रख लो, मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ.
Okay.
है ना? Bib text भी also you can download. RIS also you do it so that the second time you don't require to do the same thing, because when you apply filter second time, it takes a lot of time. Trust me. Right? And then again, the result will be different. Maybe 5 new papers are there into the market. Are you getting my point? So that will be a problem for you. Better download everything CSV, RIS, BibTeX and plain text. But for R, you have to use only CSV file. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. Similarly, you go over here, similar kind of Boolean search you can carry on with OR, like here, export, import. Then I'm going to use international business. I click on search, filter apply करो. अभी इसमें नहीं जा रहा हूँ because it will take a lot of time than otherwise. All fields I'll be selecting, click on search, I'll be getting a result, apply the filter, and then you get the things after applying a filter, you get the result, whatever that you want. But export it into what? What I said?
Plain text.
Plain text. Safe side, you can export anything. Excel also it is allowing, see. Right? But plain text file, this is for R. If data is from the Web of Science. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. Now, let me come to our R. Data already has been exported. Data is lying with me. Clear? And which data are concerned with my export import. So, I'll be showing you that only. You can do the practice for your requirement. Now, here the data is there. Import or load, you can see here. Here, import row file. Is it Web of Science or Scopus? What do you want to have it? See, dimension or database also is allowed. Other databases are also there. You can see that, guys. Sometimes what happens that you don't have an access for the Scopus.
Right.
Dimension is openly available to everybody. So you can go to Dimension and even that database also you can import over here and can do the analysis. Nothing to worry about it. So post to the finish of your PhD 2, you can have it. Venkatji is there. Venkatji, PubMed is also there.
वेंकट जी आज नहीं है.
So PubMed also you can do that, and many another database are there available. Clear?
Okay.
Let me go to the Scopus. I'll browse the database. Now here it is what? Keyword 1 plus 2. It means that my primary keyword and my secondary keyword, both the keywords I have taken into this file. What filters are there? These are the filters and this is a database exported. I'm not going to write my all the keywords like global business, international business, and like that. Instead, I've given one short name. Keyword 1 means primary keyword. Keyword 2 means secondary keyword. Finish.
Right.
Right. Similarly, you can also design that what are your primary keywords, what are your secondary keywords, what are your tertiary keywords. So in the file, you need not to apply all the names. Rather, keyword 1, keyword 2, finish. Here, I'll browse it and let me go to Scopus. Here, I'll load a primary keyword. Now, don't import this. This is Prisma. Don't commit a mistake. There'll be an error otherwise. You have to import a database only. Are you clear? Okay, on here, database is imported. Click on search. Click on start. Oh, why it is an error? Just a moment. I think I imported by mistake the Excel file. Right. क्योंकि मैंने इसको Excel में भी convert करके रखा है. So, yeah, I did the same mistake. It is an Excel. क्योंकि मेरे को जब पढ़ना होता है ना, CSV file is not editable. That's a database. So, I convert that particular file into Excel also. So, by mistake, I imported Excel file. This is a CSV file, guys. Clear?
Okay.
So, I'll click on CSV file rather. And I'll click on start. Now, this will give me the health of database. Like doctor comes to you and checks out your temperature, your blood pressure, and all these things, your ECG report. This is my complete body profile. I mean, database body profile. Abstract, excellent, everything is excellent, acceptable है, DOI, poor है कुछ चीज़ों में. Right? Missing, कितने का? That particular percentage also has been given. Now, this is nothing you can do into it, man. Trust me. It is beyond your control. Right? So, whatever it is there, you have to simply accept it and have to go away. If you want to save it, you can save it. It is already saved. Oh, saving process will take sometimes time. And then when saving is finished, it will reflect a window over here. Now, one thing I want to draw attention to, guys, that whenever you install an R and R Studio, don't please change the directory. Sometimes the people commit this mistake that they change the directory.
What is the meaning of that?
That's an installation time. See, here it's a directory in which the software has been installed. Sanjay ji.
Okay.
It's a default one. But sometimes people install the R into C drive and R Studio into D drive, or maybe C drive some other directory.
Okay, so they have to be together.
Let it be default. Let it
Okay.
be default so that this kind of problems doesn't fall into your way. Now, this particular file is saved. I click over here. I'll not click on this file. मैंने आधा ही path select किया है, ठीक है ना? I'll click on my Windows. I'll show you that particular file where it is stored. Oh, why it is not getting copied? C user factory PC SSD documents missing data table. Okay. In documents में missing data table. See, file is saved here. You can see. Same file. So this file you can put into your paper. That database that I imported is what's the health. What are the indices of that particular database? Clear?
So how to interpret this thing? Because ultimately, more than the data interpretation and the discussion will be important,
Yeah.
right?
This is just only a health checkup. So nothing to worry about the interpretation right now. This is just to reflect that you are healthy. If more number of red flag mark are here, it means that something is rotten into the state of Denmark. This kind of database probably you should not be using for analysis purpose. Simple. Like suppose I am getting a red mark in out of this total 14, 15 fields into 7 plus fields. Not desirable to go ahead. Simple. Right?
Okay, so then what should we do again?
Again,
So we have
try
to
to
do
have it. Again, try to have it.
another set of searches.
Yes. Sometimes it may be a technical error while at the time of exporting, maybe some data might be missing, or at the time of searching also, what I shown you at that point of time into the Scopus here.
Right.
There was some error, no result was being found, then subsequently later on, second time when we did it, we got a result also. Right. So this kind of technical glitch may result into different results. Right? We don't know. Now here we are. Here are the complete analysis being given, all of these things. What does it mean? Analysis. We'll be taking a second lecture for the same, not today. What all these fields mean exactly? Import or load, right? API, and now this is not important for us. Filters, it's not also equally important to that extent. But just have a look. We have to start from the source. Filter is also, you can just have it, no problem. Right. Overview. From here, we have to start. Main information. Right?
Okay.
Why the plots are not coming? Just a moment.
It's still taking time.
See here, the complete analysis of this imported database has been given there. Can you see it? Average citations per document is this much. Annual growth rate of this particular field is 8%. Authors, कितने author लिए, authors keywords, कितने हैं, authors single author कितने हैं. All this information concerned with this particular database which we have imported has been given over here. Annual scientific production कितना है उसका, ये सब चीज़ें हम लोग डिस्कस बाद में करेंगे, as I said. In one day, if we finish everything, probably
We'll do the PhD next.
no, you will say me, Dr. Kadi.
Only thing, cut and cut, paste and paste.
Cut. I don't want to be a cut. So this is those pythons and snakes. What has been shown to us? Refill plot.
Biblio.
जिसको देख के मैंने फैकल्टी को बोला था कि सर इट इज unnecessarily we are sometimes making the things very complex to get a PhD. Don't you think like that?
No, yes, there is a.
See, here are those pythons and serpents dancing with each other. Right. Everything would be having some, interpretation concerned with that, but detailed analysis that you have to do then subsequently. The way you want to arrange it and blah, blah kind of things. What all these fields means, as I said, that we'll be discussing subsequently. Most relevant sources. You can see here. How to get this result then? Every time you have to click on this button. Emerald से कितने हैं? Indian Silk से कितने हैं? Asian Textile Journal से कितने हैं? So you can get the journal list also from here, guys. That which are the best journal in which your kind of articles are being published. Right. So what is your hot cake? That also you can get it from here. Crawford's law. All these fields will be learning, source, local impact. Local impact means the database that you have imported in which journal is having the highest one. That's a global one. Last time what I shown you. Here it's a local one. We'll be discussing all these points later on. Source production over time, then authors are there. Most relevant authors production over the time. Here, then I'll have to click. Right? You can get it. Authors production over the time. Click it. You'll be getting all the information. You want to get it into the tabular form. That also is available. And whichever the graph that you want to export, guys, you can have it. You add it, and then it will be there into the documentary directory list, which I've shown you in the beginning itself. Right. Suppose I am going to add this particular report. Right. Let me show you a couple of things. Author's production over the time has been added. Suppose let me show you that particular Python graph. I mean, serpent wala graph. Python nahi bolunga. That will confuse everybody. I want to export it. Don't take a screenshot. If I add it, it will get into an Excel sheet. And that would give you a best result.
So ideally, if I'm not wrong, we are doing this analysis not only for bibliometric analysis or SLR kind of thing.
Just a moment. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. तो एक काम करना, जहाँ पे भी सेव किया है ना, वहाँ से सब फाइल निकाल लेना पहले.
Guys.
अभी ये आके चला गया यहाँ पे, देखो सी में डॉक्यूमेंट में. अभी ढूंढना पड़ेगा उसको फिर. In document it is saved somewhere. R data, see it is here. Biblio Shiny notifications. Let me check it out. What is it?
Yeah, original.
No, it is a notification. Here are our history source. But anyways, where are you do it ना save हो रहा है ना, उसको पहले सब फाइल को निकाल दो.
Archita timestamp, sir.
कहाँ पे है टाइम स्टैम्प? हियर यू मीन?
हाँ, date modified वहाँ पे
है, उसमें भी आपको थोड़ा टाइम जाएगा, तो इसको मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ कि इसको सबको पहले कट करके एक डायरेक्टरी में रख लो, ताकि जो भी नया चीज़ आएगा यू विल बी एबल टू गेट इट डायरेक्टली.
Yeah.
Right. Now here is a source, most relevant sources for your stuff. Global, here, authors, documents, analysis, most global cited documentation, citations and everything is going to be given over here. And that cloud, what we learned, that cloud is also coming over here. I want to show you that. It is below that. Most global cited document, कौन से author का है? यादव जी कोई है, उनका है. 474 citations. Local in this particular database, who has done it? Clustering by coupling.
It's a good tool for analysis actually.
Yep. For LR, bibliometric analysis and all those things.
That's what I was saying. So, but then besides SLR and other things, it is also good for actually giving the confidence to the readers.
Selection of journal also, Sanjay ji, it can help you out a lot.
Correct. We have done so much work.
Yeah.
और ये अभी इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं लग रहा जैसे पहले लग रहा
नहीं, it's comparatively quite an easy task. Thematic map, see.
मतलब पहले हम लोग डर गए थे कि we have to give all those prompts.
No. Thematic map, you can get it. Thematic map, thematic evolution, everything directly it will be giving free of cost. And that also into the multiple way, networking, tabular, cluster, documentation. See, networking how it gives. See, tabular format, it will give like this, cluster, like this, documents, like this. So you can put any table as per your requirement. See, suppose I want to have this table. What I'll be doing? Add, finish.
तो NYU तो सैड सा दिखता है इसके सामने.
This is, see, even though it is an open source, na, Sanjay ji, that's the reason I said that don't go for NVO and other kind of softwares.
नहीं उसका 14 दिन का ट्रायल 14 दिन पहले खत्म हो गया.
अच्छा, good. तो पहले
And I didn't get any.
मुन्ना भाई MBBS की स्टाइल, भाई ये तो कमरा तो शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया.
ये आर जो है ना इज लाइक एन ओशियन, इसमें हर कुछ कर सकते हो आप, इज पॉसिबल. आर जो है
Now, you are right. R is best. मुझे लगा ना कि I should be.
डिफिकल्ट टू लर्न.
Yeah, it is easy also comparatively. किसी को लगा tough,
कंपेयर वंस वी लर्न इट देन
किसी को टफ लगा आज.
Nine, in fact, it's becoming easier. So what I'll suggest, because rather than being very generic or very generous throwing the information, let's create the group of the people who are interested in such things. So it becomes easy, smaller group, faster to meet.
See here, factorial analysis. मैं cloud दिखाना चाहता हूँ, नीचे आएगा, I think. ये रहा.
Wow.
Every way you can get all the things. अभी cloud नहीं आया. मैं बेताब हूँ लेकिन बादल गरजता नहीं है.
बारिश में चला गया हो. अभी अहमदाबाद में भी बारिश है जोर से.
हाँ यार, ये जोर से नहीं है लेकिन आंखें चला गया एक दो बार.
लास्ट वीक में आया था लेकिन आई डिडंट गो टू अहमदाबाद. आई वेंट टू भावनगर, अमरेली, क्या नाम था, जामनगर.
For your company's purpose, you must be.
हाँ, और द्वारकाधीश भी घूम के आ गया.
Okay. That word cloud जो था ना, that also is coming over here. कहाँ चला गया है? Social structure.
सर्च में मारिए, देखिए क्लाउड कहीं दिखता था.
कौन से सर, कौन से
Word cloud जो था ना,
हाँ एक
कोई गूगल में डालो तो कि biblioshiny, bibliometrics, where the word cloud is being shown in which tab. ये शायद आया. नहीं, ये भी नहीं है.
ये डिग्री प्लॉट है.
डॉक्यूमेंट्स में क्लिक कीजिए,
डॉक्यूमेंट्स में
नीचे जाओ, थोड़ा नीचे. हाँ देखो वर्ड क्लाउड ट्री मैप के ऊपर.
मिल गया बताइए, आ गया.
ठीक है ना. Now click, every time you have to click on here for analysis purpose, right? देखो सबसे ज़्यादा वर्ड कौन सा यूज हो रहा है? इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड. So rather than tabular format, here you can see the international trade is being used the most of the time, but in the cloud format you can get it like this. So powerful words, theme creation and everything, Sanjay ji. Isn't it possible through this?
इनफैक्ट इससे वेरी कौन है भाई प्रीतम क्या हो गया तुझे
सॉरी
सुबह अभी उठा
Python ज्यादा खा लिया लगता है प्रीतम ने.
सर ने एकदम पिंकी और मैं रात भर बैठा था तो
अच्छा, मैंने कहा प्रीतम
it's a
भाई,
good
प्रीतम भाई है तो फिर मैंने सोचा पाइथन खा लिया शायद. इज अ मास्टर ऑफ पाइथन.
सर चावड़ा सर एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है आप वो आपका आर स्टूडियो एक बार खोल के उसका जो लोड किया
लोड बता देता हूँ फिर से.
लाइब्रेरी
See, what you have to do? Go to our studio. Here it is. See, you can type it. Let me close that window. Should I close it?
तो
Should I close this window?
हाँ यस यस
Analysis सब पता चल गया है ना. I'm not going to show it again now. Now, what I have to do? Simply, I can do it the same here also, guys.
सो दिस इज टर्मिनल राइट
हाँ.
तो अभी ये टर्मिनल पे ये लाइब्रेरी तो लोडेड नहीं है तो आपने लोड कहाँ से की ये लाइब्रेरी
Here,
ड्यू
yeah, I loaded from here. Package and name package. Load package and then I loaded bibliometrics. Simple.
ओके
Right. And then if I type it over here, na, bibliometrics, biblioshiny, sorry. Don't attempt to type it. Guys, यहाँ स्पेस छोड़ दिया, कुछ भी छोड़ दिया ना, it will throw an error. Won't open up.
सर दिस इज RGUI राइट
RGUI and this
सेम
this is R studio.
हाँ तो सुनिए ना सर तो इसके टूल्स में जाइए टूल्स में
हम्म.
नहीं आर स्टूडियो के टूल्स में जाइए
Just a moment.
ये सेकंड ऊपर
हाँ, ये रहा. तो
हाँ तो उसे इंस्टॉल पैकेजेस
हाँ,
सर फर्स्ट
हाँ, install package. हाँ, यहाँ से भी हो सकता है.
यहाँ से भी हो सकता
यहाँ से
मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ कि क्योंकि मैक में अलग थोड़ा ये रहता है
बट ठीक, कंपैरेटिबिलिटी इज इजी. यहाँ से ढूंढना पैकेज आपको सेपरेट कॉमा टाइप करना पड़ेगा. उससे अच्छा है कि इट इज कंपैरेटिवली इजी. यू कैन गो हियर and directly the package list is going to be available.
Correct.
Every time when you load R na, again repeating third fourth time, you have to load package. Right? Otherwise it may throw error. It had been
What I'm saying is if you are loading into the studio ना you need not to worry about that वो आपके this is an ID
but
this is
here
not an
directly see. मैं यहाँ से भी क्लिक करूंगा ना, it will lead me to
हाँ yeah obviously
यहाँ से भी हो सकता है, लेकिन कभी कभी एरर आती है. दैट्स अ सेफ साइड. आई एम सेइंग दैट.
कभी error है
हाँ, कभी कभी वो एरर आती थी मेरे को, तो मैंने बोला कि सेफ साइड आप यहाँ से ही देखो. जैसे ही आपका ये कमांड आ जाता है ना, बिब्लियो शाइनी मीन्स यू आर गेट टू गो.
correct
आप जा सकते हो. बिब्लियो शाइनी आ गया, देन यू हैव टू सिंपली कॉपी दैट कमांड एंड पेस्ट इट ओवर हियर, प्रेस एंटर, फिनिश. राइट. तो ये वाला विंडो खुल जाएगा. देखो ये अभी खुल गया. मैंने आर यहाँ से किया है अभी, ये ओपन आर से, RGUI से, बट स्टिल इट हैज गॉट ओपन. राइट. होता है, यहाँ से भी होता है, वहाँ से भी होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे देखो एक एरर आई है क्या? कैन यू सी इट?
error could not open the connection
राइट. तो ऐसी एरर कभी कभी आती है. दैट्स द रीजन आई एम प्रीफरिंग R स्टूडियो.
हाँ that's what I am also saying
हाँ.
we can
So it is better to go through R Studio. Simple. और यहाँ पे नीचे खाली कमांड एक बार आ गया, ये बिब्लियो शाइनी आ गया यहाँ पे, तो उसको कॉपी करके सीधा पेस्ट ही मारना है, फिनिश. प्रेस ऑन एंटर एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन. चलिए देख लेते हैं यहाँ पे अभी एरर आता है कि नहीं आता है. सी, अभी एरर नहीं आया, देखा? इट इज नॉट हैविंग एन एरर. कैन यू सी इट?
correct
So it is without error. So better. What is better, R or R Studio? Can you see it, guys? अभी error नहीं आया है. And even this particular, all the icons and everything is there. Otherwise, in that case, when we loaded from R, it was throwing an error and these icons were not available.
सो एक बार फिर से बताइए ना कि हमें मैंने एक डेटाबेस डाउनलोड किया प्लेन टेक्स्ट में वेब ऑफ
चलो वेब ऑफ साइंस दिखा दो एक बार.
हाँ.
चलो.
अब उसके बाद डेटा इंपुट.
Now I'm going to get into import raw file, web of science. Sanjay ji,
ओके
here it is, web of science. Let me show any of my database. Scopus वाले ले लूँ. Same.
वेब ऑफ साइंस का लेते हैं अभी.
Sorry, ये web of science का, sorry. ये वेब ऑफ साइंस का मैंने नोटपैड प्लेन टेक्स्ट मैंने डाल दिया।
अभी मैंने इंपोर्ट और लोड किया तो एपीआई और मर्ज कलेक्शन दिखा रहा है खाली।
नहीं, दोनों नहीं करने का ना, अभी मर्जिंग का हमने सीखा है।
अच्छा, तो इंपोर्ट और लोड। ओके,
मर्ज करने के बाद ही संजय सर वो काम करता है, बिना मर्ज किए वो काम नहीं करेगा।
ओके, तभी मैंने इंपोर्ट किया, उसके बाद आगे जा नहीं रहा।
मर्ज में बस जा, देखो एक्सेल है,
उधर नहीं, डाटा के बाद इंपोर्ट और लोड आया बिब्लियोमेट्रिक।
सी गाइस, health is very good, acceptable,
ओके,
right? And now all the analysis similar to that is available. Document, word cloud, इसका word cloud देखते हैं कैसा है दोनों का। देखो, परफॉर्मेंस, इम्पैक्ट, नॉलेज, इसमें मैंने कीवर्ड इस तरह से लिए थे कुछ। For this database I took these keywords as well as I took these keywords too. Problems, challenges, issues, troubles, bottlenecks and limitations. So okay,
ओके,
if I take it only one, then maybe the same result will be there. Let me go to that particular. Just a moment, where is import? देखो मैं एक बार रिफ्रेश करके दिखाता हूँ, पूरा डिलीट हो जाएगा। मतलब संजय जी, मतलब लिंक सेव करके रखोगे ना, काम नहीं करेगा, it will not work. It has to be loaded through R Studio only, preferably. देखो नहीं काम करेगा, इसको कॉपी करके डालो, कोई मतलब नहीं बनेगा। आई डोंट थिंक सो, राइट?
तभी मैंने डेटा लिया, डेटा के बाद इंपोर्ट, लोड और एपीआई दिखा रहा है मर्ज कलेक्शन, बट व्हेन आई एम पुटिंग ऑन द क्लिकिंग ऑन इंपोर्ट, द स्क्रीन इज शोइंग ब्लैंक।
दिस स्क्रीन इज नॉट कमिंग, यू मीन?
या, showing
No,
blank.
import, you mean?
After import, it's showing complete blanks.
So it is because of maybe
मैंने कुछ पैकेज डाउनलोड करने में गड़बड़ की।
no, I think there'll be teething problem. आपके कंप्यूटर में दांत ज़्यादा लग रहे हैं मेरे को। एक दो बार रिस्टार्ट मारना, हो जाएगा शायद।
अच्छा,
वरना फिर डाटाबेस थोड़ा चेंज करके ट्राई करो।
ओके, क्योंकि ठीक है, दैट लेट मी लर्न दिस वन,
Data.
उसके बाद
Here I'll be
ओके,
importing some other data. Import raw files. Oh, it's loaded now. Import raw files. Browse. Let me rather have some other data. वेब ऑफ साइंस का एक दूसरा डाटाबेस है मेरे पास।
प्लेन टेक्स्ट में।
हाँ, प्लेन टेक्स्ट में। See how excellent it is,
वाओ,
right? If I have to save it, मैं सेव करूंगा जैसे ही, it will get saved into my documents, right? I'm not going to do it, but here in documents again, let me show you that word cloud. Spirituality, in this particular database, the most prominent used word is a spirituality. Right? If you want it into the tabular form, you can have it like this, simple. Right? And that particular serpent graph, overview, 3-field plot. Here it is. Now analysis part is next. This is installation, importation and all these things we have made it clear today within a span of 1.5 hours. Okay guys, any question?
ओके, सो अभी मैंने वहाँ तक गया ना, इट इज शोइंग रिप्लेसमेंट है, एरर दिखा रहा है, डेटा है 50। सो व्हेन लोडिंग द फाइल,
Maybe आपका प्रोसेसर कौन सा है संजय जी? i3, i5?
अपना i3 मींस व्हाट?
Processor, your PC, computer's processor i3 it is?
इट्स अ लेटेस्ट ओनली, अभी तो 3 महीना पहले लिया।
Okay, okay. So there should not be any, sometimes what happens if the PC or laptop is older one, then maybe
अब इसमें क्या होता है, ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिखा रहा है, ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन, बिब्लियोमेट्रिक टाइप, कंटेंट, डोमेन, रिसर्च, हाइपोथेसिस। ओके, वाइल
सबसे क्लिक करके लोड करके देखो ना, वो कभी-कभी शो करता है बट इट विल वर्क।
एक बार
फिर क्या बोला?
आप ना और भी जाइए, मेन इन्फॉर्मेशन में क्लिक कीजिए, देखिए कुछ दिखा रहा है क्या वहाँ पे?
share the screen, Sanjay ji.
Okay, suggest it.
Let me stop my screen.
Okay, so I'll just share.
Okay, Arvind ji. Take your time.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Is it coming?
Gradually, I think. No, still not.
Yeah. चावड़ा सर,
Yes, sir.
ये मेरा ये एक बिब्लियो शाइनी यही लोड नहीं हो रहा है।
नहीं हो रहा है?
नहीं हो रहा है। मैंने बिब्लियो मैट्रिक्स ये कर दिया है। लोडेड है।
चलो शाम को देखते हैं पर्सनली भी, वन टू वन चेक करते हैं। संजय जी आपका स्क्रीन आके चला गया।
देख मैंने एंटायर स्क्रीन शेयर करना है ना मुझे कि विंडो?
कोई भी चलेगा।
नहीं, एंटायर स्क्रीन शेयर कर।
ओके।
भाभी जी को हमारी तरफ से सॉरी बोल देना, बाद में हैप्पी बर्थडे बोल रहा
वो भी है उस
है क्या ऑनलाइन?
हाँ?
अरे सर गॉट द इशू।
क्या हुआ?
इधर है, वेरी सेट।
टीम के
आपका भी बर्थडे है क्या प्रीतम भाई?
अरे नहीं, बच्चे कहे हुए हैं। ओके।
फिर मैं पकड़ के ले आया, फिर मेरे को बोलना पड़ा कि संजय भाई भाभी जी को बोल देना सॉरी मेरी तरफ से कि मैं उनका बर्थडे है, फिर भी मैं आपको उठा के ले आया हूँ आज लेक्चर में।
सर टू लोड द लाइब्रेरी राइट।
एक मिनट, देखो इसको मैं जूम कर लेता हूँ।
हाँ,
हाँ।
वो स्टूडियो में जाइए, कंसोल में जाइए। हु इज शेयरिंग दिस?
संजय भाई का है ये।
आई एम शेयरिंग, सो दिस इज द एरर व्हिच इज आई एम गेटिंग.
संजय सर,
हाँ,
if we can
आई विल स्टॉप.
guide you. No, you don't have to start. Can you go to the studio, please?
आर स्टूडियो
Yes, our studio.
गया, ये दिख रहा है?
No, I cannot do it.
इज इट?
Now I got it. What's the issue? हाँ, load against the DLs. चारा सर ठीक। मैंने आपको एक ये दिया देखो. That's the correct thing. No, if may I have to ask you.
संजय जी
आई विल स्टॉप.
नो आप चालू ही रखिए, पैकेजेस में जाइए तो
ये आपको दिख रहा है ये पैकेज ही हो?
This is ये
दिस इज
हाँ।
आर.
स्टूडियो में जाइए। स्टूडियो गोइंग स्टूडियो।
स्टूडियो में जाइए। हाँ स्टूडियो,
ये आ गया.
वी कैन नॉट सी।
बिब्लियोमेट्रिक्स दिख रहा है?
नो वी कैन नॉट सी आवर स्टूडियो।
एक मिनट आना.
अबे कोई इंपोर्ट कर लो है ना।
Let me just retry again. Actually, ये I'm used to that Zoom Zoom type के ना, इसमें sharing. Okay. So I have to share the entire window, screen, right?
Anything
Yes,
you can do.
yes.
एंटायर कर दो एक काम करो।
Entire screen share कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन it is not allowing.
No, you select first of all that particular entire screen. That you have to select, and then that share button will be enabled. Sanjay ji,
Okay.
you have to select on that particular screen. Then share button.
ये कर दिया.
Yes, I think now it's
But
okay.
it's-
Now go to the R Studio.
R Studio. This one?
We cannot see still.
I'm getting the image mirrors.
No, that is. But you change the screen when you go to R Studio. It will, go away. It's a kind of kaleidoscope.
Okay. So
Kaleidoscope will go away.
is this the R
No,
Studio?
wait. Now we can see it.
Is this the R
No,
Studio?
this is not R Studio. You type into your, just a moment,
Wait.
to your search function.
R
Studio. Yeah, simply you type Studio.
Okay. It's coming now.
No, it's not. We cannot see it.
Just a second. I'll reshare.
No, सही था. Entire screen, let it be there. We can see your entire screen. No problem.
ये है. This is our studio.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
So, can you type bibliometric? Just type bibliometric there. एक ही वहाँ पे बाजू में your cursor. Can you go to up files, plots, and then
ऊपर और
packages?
नहीं ये तो अपने आप ही है.
Packages में जाओ. Packages में.
Packages में जाइए. Not that one. Right one. Which says
ये
file.
pack-
हाँ. ये search box में आप
Tick
bibliometric
mark करो उसको.
टिक मार्क कीजिए. थर्ड
हाँ ये वाला आ गया.
Yes.
फर्स्ट.
And now wait. It will get loaded. हो गया अभी. देखो नीचे आ गया संजय जी.
आगे
ये से बिब्लियोमेट्रिक्स बिब्लियो शाइनी आ गया है क्या?
आ
Now we are ready to
ठीक
go.
है.
That means.
ओके तभी मैं
को कॉपी कर लो. बिब्लियो शाइनी को पूरा का कमांड को कॉपी कर लो.
ये वाला
नीचे
आप.
नीचे लास्ट. सेकंड लास्ट लाइन.
ये आई बी
नीचे
और नीचे
नीचे लास्ट लाइन. टू स्टार्ट विद बिब्लियोग्राफी
हाँ.
एप्लीकेशन.
ये वाला
नहीं नीचे
नहीं
खाली.
नीचे वाला.
ये वाला
नहीं खाली.
उसके ऊपर.
बिब्लियो शाइनी जो है ना उसका उतना कॉपी करो.
इतना वाला
हाँ.
कॉपी करो इसको.
कॉपी किया.
एंड देन ये जो यूटिल्स मेन्यू इंस्टॉल पैकेज को हटा
हटाओ.
दीजिए और वो डाल के एंटर.
इसको हटाओ.
देख कहाँ पे इसको हटाना है.
मारो इसको. यूटिल्स को.
सबको.
यूटिल को लास्ट वाला कमांड जो है ना उसको हटाओ.
ओके अच्छा एक मिनट ये निकाल दिया. ओके अब तो यहाँ पे
पेस्ट मार दो. एंटर करो.
मार. ओके
पेस्ट एंटर. अभी तुम्हारा ब्राउजर खुल जाएगा.
अभी ब्राउजर खुलेगा सर.
अच्छा.
सो
यहाँ पे डेटा है.
नहीं वो छोड़ दीजिए सर. आपके ब्राउजर में आएगा ये.
ये खुल गया.
खुल गया ना.
हाँ.
बस.
आज दिख नहीं रहा है सर.
वो एंटर स्क्रीन नहीं सिलेक्ट
चावड़ा सर.
एंटर स्क्रीन नहीं किया उन्होंने.
चावड़ा
आप
सर.
एकदम भाई.
एक मिनट.
ये मैंने आपको जो मैसेज डाला है ना
व्हाट्सएप में
मीट पे. हाँ नहीं मीट पे.
अच्छा ये खुल गया.
खुल गया ना.
तो हाँ बिब्लियोग्राफी मैट्रिक्स कोलन बिब्लियो शाइनी. दिस वर्क्स इन मैक. दोज हु हैव मैक दे कैन लोड. आपके विंडोज के लिए या पाथ में आ जाएगा. मैक के लिए उसको इंपोर्ट मैट्रिक्स करना पड़ेगा एंड देन लोड शाइनी.
मैक में भी सेम ही है सर. मैं मैक ही यूज कर रहा हूँ. उसमें भी एज इट इज है जैसा कोई भी इसमें एक एज इट इज है. कुछ नहीं करना है.
सर तो यहाँ पे मैंने
मैं
तो
ग्रुप में डाल देता
किया
हूँ
है.
कि मैक वाले ट्राई करे. मान लो उससे काम नहीं होता है.
इससे
मैं अभी वैसी से चला रहा हूँ.
क्या चल रहा है.
हाँ पूरा एकदम परफेक्ट. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है यार. पूरा एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास चलता है मैक में.
ये शाइनी भी लोड हो गया क्या?
हाँ सेम. आप सेम ये जो प्रोसीजर है ना वही सेम फॉलो करो. पूरा मैक में भी चलेगा वो.
ओके.
आप
मैंने तो ये डाला ये हो गया मुझसे. सो आई
तो आप मुझसे यूज करो. अभी मैक लेटेस्ट करो क्या?
मैक मेरा मैक मेरा तो कॉर्पोरेट मैक है तो.
हाँ लेकिन ये सेम प्रोसीजर फॉलो होगा. सेम प्रोसीजर
में क्या होता है पीसी वाइज भी.
हाँ हो सकता है.
ये आईटी के
M2 है मेरा.
क्या प्रॉब्लम है ना. हमारे पल्ले नहीं पड़ते.
मेरा M1 है सर. वो उसमें फर्स्ट क्लास चल रहा है. तो आपको तो और अच्छी पड़ना.
M2 में भी मेरा क्या लेटेस्ट आज ही मैंने अपडेट किया है.
हाँ तो शायद देखो कभी कभी ये अलग अलग पीसी के कस्टमाइज प्रॉब्लम होते हैं. मैंने ग्रुप में डाल दिया है कि सपोज बिब्लियो शाइनी डजंट
चौड़ा सर.
देन बिब्लियो शाइनी ये वाला कमांड यूज करो. ठीक है ना.
चौड़ा तो एक छोटा सा रिक्वेस्ट है. तो मुझे मर्जिंग का सीखा है. मैं असल में
सेशन में इसका इंटरप्रिटेशन
वो आई कर रहा हूँ.
इंटरप्रिटेशन और बर्जिंग दोनों करते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में सर.
2 दिन से मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ लेकिन इतना डिफिकल्ट है ना वो कि वो मुझे समझ ही भी नहीं.
दोनों करते हैं. नेक्स्ट संडे हम लोग बैठेंगे.
Or when are you planning to take next session? Can you take it sooner, sir?
नेक्स्ट संडे रहते हैं मैडम. नेक्स्ट संडे रहते हैं.
Yeah, I think Sunday will be better. Because easy.
नेक्स्ट संडे अच्छा रहेगा. ठीक है.
Yeah, Sunday should be better.
आप लोग इतना प्रैक्टिस भी कर लो. सिंपल.
Yeah, I think that's better. Yeah.
ओके गाइस कोई क्वेश्चन अभी.
Okay. So I think practice makes the man perfect.
ओके
So
नेक्स्ट संडे
practice.
फिर से मिलते हैं फिर इसका इंटरप्रिटेशन के लिए.
चलेगा.
लारा जी हेलो चावड़ा जी. या ये अभी आपने ये तो देखा हमने क्लाउड वगैरह. बट हाउ टू साइट दिस
हाँ वो सब अभी इंटरप्रिटेशन आगे देखेंगे किस तरह से करना है क्या है, वो पेपर पढ़ेंगे ना मैडम तभी पता चलेगा ऑनेस्टली।
1-2 पेपर पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा, कैसे बाकी लोगों सबको नहीं समझ में आएगा।
पेपर पढ़ के देखो कैसे इसको हमें लेना है, वो हमारा फिर वो है पेपर में किस तरह से लोग लेते हैं वो हमें स्टडी करना पड़ेगा मैडम।
वी हैव टू रीड कपल ऑफ पेपर देन ओनली वी विल बी एबल टू इंटरप्रेट।
यस, लेकिन इसका जो सब टेबल मैंने दिखाया ना उसका इंटरप्रिटेशन किस तरह से करना है, इसका क्या मीनिंग है, वो हम लोग नेक्स्ट सेशन में डिस्कस करेंगे।
यस
और फिर मर्जिंग सीखे, उसके बाद फिर मर्जिंग सीखेंगे हम लोग, उसके बाद फिर
This was really
हाँ
helpful.
फिर आगे मैं जैसे सीखता जाऊंगा फिर हम लोग इसके ऊपर से डाटा एनालिसिस सीखेंगे।
यस यस वो भी बहुत
मतलब जो SPSS में होता है वही चीज इसमें कैसे करनी है वो भी हम लोग करेंगे धीरे धीरे।
अब इससे फायदा क्या होगा, आई फील कि एक बार इसको हैंडी हो जाएगा ना, देन वी डोंट हैव टू रन फॉर मल्टीपल।
एक बार ये कर लेना सर, बाकी कोई की जरूरत
में की जरूरत नहीं है भैया, वही तो मैंने तभी तो इसको चूज किया और सोचा कि सबको यही बताऊं मैं।
आई थिंक दैट्स राइट अप्रोच।
हाँ, फ्री वाले में ही जाओ, लाइफ में कभी भी प्रोप्राइटरी सॉफ्टवेयर में मत जाओ। SPSS तो सबको मैंने करके दिया ही है।
करेक्ट।
जुगाड़ू आदमी हूँ मैं, बड़े बड़े सॉफ्टवेयर लोगों से मारता हूँ मैं पहले से।
आपने हमें मैक्सिमम लिमिट डाल दी है कि 10 साल
अरे
का
डाल दो।
ये करना ही है।
इसके बाद वाला वर्जन भी मैंने कर दिया है वैसे तो इसका।
हाँ जी।
अरे सर तो ये ह्यूमनाइज AI का कुछ करो ना, अगर कुछ
मुझे दो चलो करके देता हूँ मैं ढूंढ के कहीं
आपको थोड़ा
एन वो भी मैंने किया था, लेकिन उसमें क्या है नेट बंद करके करना पड़ता है, तो दूसरे किसी को मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ। NVO मैंने किया था।
वो मैक के लिए है क्या?
नहीं विंडोज का, लेकिन उसमें लफड़ा वही है कि यू टू स्टॉप द इंटरनेट और कुछ हैकिंग के टूल भी इसमें यूज करने पड़ते हैं।
अरे नहीं, वो तो पहले बैंड हो जाएगा।
कोई टेंशन, मैं सब यूज करता हूँ। मैं 3-3 लाख सॉफ्टवेयर में करके यूज करता हूँ, पब्लिकली बोल रहा हूँ मैं। 3-4 लाख के सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं उसके रियल वैल्यू। ठीक है।
अच्छा ओके।
गरीब आदमी है ना हम लोग, सही थोड़ी ना ऐसे इतना पैसा है क्या संजय भाई? पैसा है क्या? भिजवाओ मेरे को फिर।
नहीं हम देती लोग हैं।
वो तो भिजवा देना, कोई किसी के पास ज्यादा है तो मेरे को भेज देना भाई, गुजराती आदमी हूँ, ले लूंगा कोई ना नहीं बोलूंगा। टोकन ऑफ
नहीं हमें उतने ही मिलते हैं जितनी लंबी चादर है।
टोकन ऑफ लव समझ के ले लूंगा, कोई टेंशन नहीं है ना।
It's a great session, so let's meet up
चलो,
next
next
week.
Sunday
तब
मिलते
तक
हैं
लोग
फिर,
थोड़ा
ठीक है ना?
प्रैक्टिस कर लें, मैं भी
चलिए
कर
guys।
लूंगा।
थैंक यू
I
चावला
appreciate all of you.
Okay, bye, all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
सर इसका रिकॉर्डिंग भेज
हाँ,
दीजिएगा।
recording मैं इसको एडिट करके भेज दूंगा।
हम अपना ओके सर, ओके सर।
चलो
Thank
चलो
you.
ओके।
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.